Today we're going to talk about this really cool new app that lets you make stuff like this, where you can get a 3D object to animate slightly. Canva has just rolled out a whole load of new apps, and one of the new apps that they have rolled out is Image Animate. And that's what I used to make this little image here, which is a pack shot of my book, which appears to rotate. Okay, so I'm going to show you Image Animate, and then I'm going to show you some examples of the things that I did. So what I have here is the cover of my book. This is what I got sent by my publishers. This is a 2D image of my book cover. I made this using DIY book covers. There's a previous tutorial that you can look at. Link is up there. Now, what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go to Edit Image, and I'm going to go to Shadows and put a drop shadow in, just so that it makes it a bit more interesting. Right, so we have a 2D image and a 3D image. Okay, so we're going to go to Apps, and we're going to look for Image Animate. And that's what it looks like. It's an A, blue A. Now it says select an image in the design to animate. So I'm going to select this one. Now there's several different things you can do. There's auto animate, or there's motion parallax. I tried a whole different set of motion parallax ones, and you can choose the camera path. So there's horizontal, where the camera goes left to right, where the camera goes vertical, circular, which is a bit bananas. It just goes round and round. Step in, cross, step right, step up, step down. Right. So let's start with, let's try step right. This is Canva Tips for Authors. I'm Jeev. I write women's fiction and romance as Jeevani Charika and as Rhoda Baxter. And I have this channel which helps authors use Canva better in their book marketing. If you're an author who'd like to talk to other authors about Canva, come join the free Facebook group, Canva Tips for Authors. The link is in the description. Okay, so this is step right. So if you do step right, let's get rid of that. If you do step right on a 3D image, this is what you get. Now, one of the problems with this is that you have a solid white background, which you could crop down if you wanted to, like this. Or if you have Canva Pro, you go to Edit Video and Background Remover, and it will remove the background. So what I've done is I've gone and I've tested a few of these things. And let's look at all the options that you have. The first one is auto animate, which it chooses. I wouldn't recommend auto animate because it does this nonsense. I don't know what is going on there. So yeah, don't use auto animate. The next one is step in, which we did, which was so subtle I couldn't see what happened. So maybe not step in. But horizontal, I love. Okay, let's see. What else did we have? So what I've done is I've taken the 2D image and the 3D image and tried it on both of them. So step right, which is the one we just did, that on a 2D image looks like this, which is okay, but it cuts bits off because we can't spread it out to get that last corner. On the 3D image, it works a lot better. Look at that. If you do horizontal on a 2D image, it kind of twizzles around like this, which is okay. This is my favorite one. If you do horizontal on a 3D image, it does that. Isn't that cool? Circle, everything seems to work much better on 3D images. It was designed to be used on products so that, solid 3D objects, which is probably why it works better on the 3D image. Circle, where it goes round, which is fun. Step up, where it steps up to you, and then it just looks like it's on a swing. Image Animate, you can use it for all kinds of things. I love it. I think it's great. I've been waiting for something like this. And what I did here is basically I took the horizontal video, which generated it, removed the background, and then just slotted a different background in. And I used the custom animation feature to make the background move a little bit, but not a lot. And that sort of works. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with this. If you make anything with it, just let me know because I would love to see what you make. If you found this tutorial useful, please tell all your friends. And there's loads more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.